Sometimes the most beautiful stories don't begin with the perfect material. They begin with what nature leaves behind. Most people see scraps. I saw a story that's waiting to be told. Every engraving became another chapter in time, another chapter which the civilization would look ahead for. It's carved into memories, carved into hearts, not just carved into wood. The wood slice became the memory. The driftwood became the forest we lost, that burned down across the mountains. The gourd became the last seed of hope, a last seed that would help the civilization move ahead, restore balance, and make it green again. Real change does not happen all at once. It grows one seed, one act, 1% at a time.